See how that wheel won't back up? It's a telltale sign that the brake pads have separated. And what do I mean by separated? I mean that the brake pad material has separated from the backing, most likely due to rust. One of the signs is, look how rusty that guy is. And a few here. Oh yeah, see where that guy is separated. We're going to use a 7mm. Bust that off, and we can go ahead and take the whole thing off with a 3/8. I like to use a hammer to fully seat that thing so we don't strip out that socket head. Same thing on the bottom. When we take it apart, what do we find? A whole bunch of separated brake pads. Look at that. Smusher. Nice pretty bearings. Do some cleaning up on that. But first we're going to tap and clean up the spindle. Just to be sure. Ah. my god, I'm not even fucking filming. Shit. So I'm going to show you the benefits of a posi lube hub or spindle. That spindle has a Zerk fitting right here and is ported to where grease comes out near the rear seal. What I have is an assembled hub with a new seal, and bearings have a little bit of grease in them. These are the previously used bearings. They're still good. We're going to reuse them. We're just going to throw this whole hub on. We're going to tighten it down like we would normally. Back a quarter turn. Come on. So we're going to have our electric grease gun here. It's not pneumatic, it is electric. It only puts out about 5,000 psi. And what we're going to do is grease this hub. Everybody keeps telling me, you're going to blow the back seal out, buddy. You can't be doing it that way. Well, you may be thinking of a buddy bearing, and you know, that of course you don't want to overfill, and you don't want to keep forcing grease in. The posi lube spindle's a little bit different. What you're going to see is you're going to see all the extra grease, which in this case would be just grease that's fully greasing the hub, come out right here. And it would normally come out into the posi lube cap. Now we don't have the cap on. I don't put the caps on until after we get grease into the hub. So if we do have a problem, like we didn't seat a seal correctly, we can then go back and change it without having to take the dust cap off. Anyway, here's some grease. And as we see, all this new grease starts coming right out the back. And guess what? If I put my camera back here, oh, maybe we can get to the seal. Can we see the seal? As I grease, is there any grease coming out of the back? I can't see. Oh, wow. That's beautiful. Look at that. No grease, no leaks, and shit, I had a bunch of pressure on that damn thing. Wow. This is amazing. That's probably a little too pretentious, but posi lube hubs are fantastic. They get a bad rep because people don't know what they're talking about. Clear the extra grease away. Grab our dust cap. Clean it off. Add a little extra to cover the castle nut, because you know this is a boat for salt water. Add the rubber plug. Beautiful. And keep it off that rotor. Coolio. Boop. Go. Cool. Nice. Sweet. I love it. Go ahead and put this one back on.